Good morning students. Today we will study about computer chapter 2 information processing and computer applications. First repeat this topic information processing and computer application. We are going to study about information processing and computer applications. So let's start students. The information processing is the most basic operation undertaken by a computer. The information processing is the most basic operations undertaken by a computer. To understand this further, we need to take an in-depth look at each aspect of the information processing. So let's start. What is data? What is data? Data is collection of facts, figures and statistics which can be processed to produce meaningful information. In a business environment, data can be the number of hours worked, names of employees, stock, inventory levels, details of purchases made, expense statements or employee pay details. In an educational environment, data can be the names of students and the marks they obtain or their roll numbers, as in the example listed below. You understood, I think? Okay, here is given some example students. Name here given XYZ, or you can write something annual here FA1, FA2, FA3 or quarterly, half yearly or annual exam, and you can write name. So write your name. This is also data. In name column, Ramesh, Suresh, Dinesh, Faizan, you can write, and number, whatever you have got, fill this row or column according to the exam name, like quarterly, half yearly and annual. So you can fill according to this column. Here written, in a business environment, data can be in the number of hours worked, name of employees, stock, inventory levels, details of purchases made, expense statement or employee pay details. In an educational environment, data can be in the name of students and the marks they obtain or their roll number, as in the example listed below. So these all are called data. That's why data is a collection of facts, figures and statistics which can be processed to produce meaningful information. Okay students, so this is data. And now given here about information. What is information? So information is a commonly used term that refers to processed data. Information is a commonly used term that refers to processed data. It is generally used for facts, figures or statistics that have meanings. Although data and information are different, most people often use this interchangeably. The reason is that whether a particular item or statistic can be termed as information depends not only on its content value but also on the individual using it. Thus, a particular fact may be information to an individual process, but the same may be data for another individual process. The example given below illustrates this. Let's see. For an individual student, the marks scored by him in individual papers form data, and the average marks scored by him form information. However, for the teacher, the average marks scored by each individual form the data, and from which the class average is calculated is the information. Understood? The average mass scored by each individual from the data and from which the class average is calculated is the information. Now you understood? Neither the examination marks nor the class average would be information to a student not enrolled in the class. This example also shows that information generated from one process can become data or input for another process. Okay students, so this is about data and information, and in second video we will study about next page. You read the next page, and in this page about data and information, if any doubt then consult it into meeting.